Hello everyone, welcome back, and you are watching Technical World. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix iPhone charging but battery percentage not increasing. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Number 1, if you replace iPhone battery and then you are facing this issue, then the battery is not original. You have to change your battery to a original the iPhone battery. Number 2, if you're not update your iPhone, then you have to update your iPhone to a latest iOS version by going to setting general and software update and update your iPhone to a latest iOS version. Number 3, sometimes this is because of the beta version. Maybe the beta version that you are using have a bug. So remove the beta version from your iPhone. To remove beta version, settings, general, then tap VPN and device management. Here you can find the beta version and remove the beta version from your iPhone. The final thing that we have to do, we have to check the charging cable and the charger, and we have to make sure that charger and the charging cable is healthy. Try to use any other charger and a cable and your problem will be fixed. That's it. By doing these easy and simple steps, you will get rid of this issue. Hopefully friends, you found this video helpful, so please don't forget to subscribe, like and share with your friends and family. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.